Denim pants, commonly known as jeans, are a type of durable cotton-based trousers that have become a fashion trend worldwide. Classic blue jeans are typically dyed with indigo, a dark blue dye that fades over time, adding to the characteristic worn look of jeans. One modern technique used to create a distressed look on denim is laser distressing. Talking about denim or jeans is inseparable from cotton. Cotton is the basic material for making denim jeans, valued for its durability, sweat absorption, and comfort. This natural fiber is harvested from cotton plants and goes through a series of processes to be transformed into denim fabric. So let's begin by seeing how denim jeans are made in a factory facility. Harvesting cotton on modern plantations has seen significant advancements, particularly with the use of technology that allows for more efficient and effective methods. One of the most notable innovations in recent years is the use of high-capacity cotton pickers that not only harvest the cotton, but also wrap it into large rolls directly in the field. The process of wrapping cotton into large rolls, often referred to as round modules, has several advantages. Among these, by wrapping the cotton immediately after it is picked, the fibers remain clean and dry, preserving their integrity until they can be processed. Additionally, this method makes handling and transporting the cotton easier. Once the cotton is wrapped into these large rolls, they are transported to a factory facility, typically a cotton gin, where the next stage of processing begins. The cotton that has arrived at the seed separation facility is then processed to transform the raw cotton into usable fiber. The first step involves unloading the cotton bales and inspecting them for any debris or foreign material that could interfere with the processing. This initial inspection is crucial for maintaining the quality of the cotton as it moves through the facility. Once the cotton is cleared of any debris, it is moved to the first stage of processing, the screening process. The cotton separator is a specialized machine designed to separate cotton fibers from the seeds. As the cotton is fed into the separator, a series of rotating saws or blades pull the cotton fibers through narrow slots that are too small for the seeds to pass through. This mechanical separation is highly efficient and is key to producing clean, seed-free cotton fibers. After the cotton is clean and free from contaminants, it is fed into the first main machine used in the facility, the cotton separator. The cotton separator plays a crucial role in separating the valuable cotton fibers from the seeds. This fiber cleaner ensures that the cotton is as pure as possible before being compressed into bales for storage or shipment to textile mills. After the fibers are cleaned, the cotton is ready to be pressed into bales. The cleaned fibers are compressed into large, dense bales using a bale press. These bales are standardized in size and weight, making them easy to transport and store. The bales are labeled and documented for traceability, ensuring that the origin and processing history of each bale can be tracked. This step is crucial for quality control and for meeting industry standards. When cotton bales arrive at the spinning facility, they are first unloaded and moved to the opening area. Then, the open cotton fibers are mixed and cleaned of any remaining impurities from the previous process. The next step is the carding process, where the fibers are straightened and bundled into a long, wide form called a sliver. The process then continues with the drawing frame stage, where the fibers are further straightened to fully utilize their length. This step is repeated twice and ends with the rolling frame stage, where torsion is added to give strength to the semi-finished product, allowing it to be spun on the final ring frame machine. On the ring frame machine, the aesthetics and performance of the resulting yarn can be determined. Most jeans are dyed in the distinctive blue color of indigo. Indigo is one of the oldest dyes used in the textile industry, derived from the Indigofera plant. The dyeing process involves immersing the threads in a vat filled with indigo dye and then lifting the threads into the air using large drums. The reaction between indigo and oxygen turns the color blue. The dyeing process is repeated several times to achieve a deep, dark blue hue. This dye creates a coating around the threads, while the inside remains white, giving denim its faded white appearance when worn. If you closely examine your jeans, you'll notice the weave pattern of blue and white threads. The blue threads, known as the warp, are pulled vertically on the loom, while the white threads, called the weft, are moved horizontally across the loom, creating the denim pattern. The most common weave pattern is 3 warp threads for every weft thread, which results in the weft threads being more visible on the back of the fabric. Another type of weaving is selvage, featured in the RDD collection. Selvage denim is crafted using traditional methods on vintage shuttle looms from the 1950s. These looms operate at a much slower pace compared to modern machines, which reduces tension on the yarn and results in a softer, more durable fabric. The old looms require skilled artisans and are exclusively manufactured in Japan and Italy, countries renowned for their long-standing jeans-making heritage. Once the fabric is woven, it is brought to the quality control section. The first step of quality control is a visual inspection, while the second step involves laboratory testing. The lab tests are conducted to assess stretchability, growth, color fastness, and many other technical aspects of the fabric. Once the fabric passes these tests and is deemed suitable, it is ready to be shipped to the final product manufacturing facility. The process of making jeans on a large scale begins with creating a precise pattern using specialized software. Once the pattern is finalized, it is sent to a plotter or large-scale printer that transfers the pattern onto paper. The printed pattern serves as a guide for the cutting stage. Next, the denim fabric is layered on a cutting table, often in multiple layers to maximize efficiency. The printed pattern is placed on top of these layers, and the cutting machine, guided by the pattern lines, slices through the fabric. Skilled workers operate this machine, following the pattern with precision to ensure that each piece is identical to the blueprint. The cut pieces are then carefully organized, bundled together by size and style, and prepared for the assembly process. Next, at the zipper making stage, the process begins with selecting a durable zipper that matches the design of the jeans and its intended use. The zipper is aligned with the fly opening of the jeans, and specialized sewing machines are used to stitch it securely in place. This involves attaching the zipper tape to the fabric, ensuring that it lies flat and functions smoothly. Next, for the back pockets, the process involves cutting the pockets, embroidering or embellishing them as needed, and then sewing them onto the back panels of the jeans. The placement and stitching of the back pockets are carefully aligned to ensure a uniform and aesthetically pleasing appearance. Once the pockets are attached, the next stage is sewing the edges of the pants. This includes the side seams, inseams, and hem. The edges of the pants are sewn using overlock or serger machines that prevent the fabric from fraying and provide a clean finish. After the edges are sewn, the next step is assembling the body of the jeans. The front and back panels are aligned and stitched together at the side seams and inseams, creating the basic shape of the jeans. The assembly process involves joining these panels with precision to ensure perfect fit and alignment. The laser fading process in jeans manufacturing is a modern and efficient technique used to create various patterns, designs, and faded effects on denim fabric. This process begins by placing the jeans flat under a laser machine. The laser is programmed with specific designs or fading patterns that are to be applied to the fabric. As the laser beams hit the denim, they precisely burn away the top layer of the fabric, creating a lighter shade in those areas. Another method used to fade the color of jeans is through sandblasting or hand scraping, which are traditional methods used to create a worn and vintage look on denim. Sandblasting involves the use of compressed air to spray fine particles of sand or other abrasive materials onto the surface of the jeans. The high-pressure sand effectively wears away the top layer of the denim, lightening the color in targeted areas. On the other hand, hand scraping is a more manual and artisanal method of fading jeans. This process involves using abrasive tools like pumice stones, sandpaper, or metal files to scrape the surface of the denim by hand. Skilled workers carefully target specific areas of the jeans, such as the front of the thighs, knees, or seat, to create natural-looking wear patterns. Hand scraping allows for greater control and precision, resulting in unique and individualized fading on each pair of jeans. In the final stage, which is the washing process, this step is crucial as it significantly influences the appearance, feel, and quality of the finished product. After all the design and construction processes are completed, the jeans undergo washing to soften the fabric, reduce shrinkage, and enhance their appearance. This step is important because raw denim, in its untreated form, can be stiff and uncomfortable to wear. Washing the jeans not only improves their texture but also helps to set the color and patterns that were applied earlier in the production process, ensuring the jeans remain vibrant and consistent. After being ironed, the jeans are ready for the finishing process, which includes attaching buttons and brand labels. The buttons are typically made of metal and are secured using a machine that applies pressure to fasten them to the fabric. The labels on the jeans serve as a mark of authenticity and style,